everyone. You are watching Funny Heck Yes Info. In this video we are going to know about the emergency facilities required at warehouse. Sufficient fire extinguishers should be arranged in warehouse. Check them within the stipulated time and keep their expiry date clearly written on the label. Hose reel hose, hydrant valves and delivery hoses must be installed correctly. All nozzles should be tested frequently. All equipment including delivery hoses should be tested every 3 months and duly entered in a relevant record book. Sprinklers and detectors along with manually operated alarm system should be properly installed in warehouse and a record should be kept of their observation and performance. Fire pumps should be properly installed and arranged to start automatically at all times. Start the pumps daily and test their performance over the weekend. Mandatory all their information should be recorded. Ensure that sprinkler valves and main valves of terrace tank are kept open at all times, keeping the lines separate. Smoke detectors and smoke extractors should be installed in such a way that they work properly and their functioning should not be obstructed. Provide adequate ventilation at all times. All stairs, exits, corridors, passages should be kept free of any obstructions. All stairwell doors should be kept open so as to facilitate easy and speedy escape in case of emergency. The fireman switch of the lift should be functional at all times. Special attention should be paid to the proper maintenance of the lift. A lighting system with battery backup should be installed along with emergency lights to enable escape in case of emergency. That self-illuminated system of indicating exit routes shall be installed in such a way as to be visible to all in case of emergency. There shall be open space in such warehouse for the fire engine to move around and under no circumstances shall any construction be undertaken in the designated open spaces. Safety distance should be observed as prescribed for safety. The particulars of workers in warehouse and the particulars of the goods stored therein and the particulars of fire extinguishing means must be displayed outside in white. Electric lamps or any other lamps which emit excessive heat should be strictly regulated. Halogen lamps should not be used. All personnel should also be trained in firefighting and first aid. And a mock drill should be done once every 3 months so as to escape in case of emergency. All electrical equipment must be switched off before closing the warehouse every night, as well as being there. Security personnel should be trained to provide immediate information in case of any emergency. Cooking, use of LPG cylinder and sleeping of workers should be prohibited in warehouse and temporary structures. Electrical wiring, circuit breakers and other switches should be checked by a licensed electrical engineer once in every 5 years and necessary changes should be made. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos. If you want notes about this video, please visit our website link given in description box. Have a safe day.